Number six, The Wind Through the Keyhole. This is a 2022 novella, about 300 pages. By the way, the first edition, limited edition book, this one is by far the most beautiful one. It's just that the casing's beautiful. Look at my other videos for that. The book itself is beautiful. Just a beautiful book. It's about 300 pages, as I said. The group holds up in an abandoned building during a massive sand blast storm. To pass time, Roland tells a story. First, it's the young gunslinger, him, hunting a shape-shifting skin man by the name of James DeCurry. Nested inside a fairy tale about a boy, Tim Southernheart, using wizard's glass to find a tyrant, facing dragons and magic. It feels like Eyes of the Dragon, if you remember that book from earlier on, a mid-world